Hey guys, welcome to my What to Do channel. Today is not a tutorial, it's pretty much I would call it a rant and a rave about an R&R product I received. And the only reason I really wanted to do it was I do reviews, one, if something really impresses me, or two, if something really pisses me off. And this particular product just really pissed me off, and I can't believe R&R would even ship something like this. And it's not even safe. Let me show you. This here is what $40-something looks like backlapping brush. Now, for those of you that don't know what a backlapping brush is, when you're backlapping a set of reels, you're taking a brush, dipping it in some compound, and you're going back and forth on these reels that are spinning at a high rate of speed usually, sometimes low, but they're still reels, they're blades, they're sharp, they will chop your fingers off. As a turf mechanic, I need a brush that I can get in there without fearing for my fingers. And just kneeling down with a regular hand brush, a lot of times your hand is right next to those reels. So I was looking for a nice sturdy pole with a brush on it so that I would be away from the reels. Now, R&R should know this because these are the kind of products they sell. And this is not a very good product. Let me show you why. Now, here's the whole brush here, which is probably only about 36 inches long. So it's really not even that long. All right, and you may even still have to do some bending with this brush. All right, but that's not really the biggest concern. The biggest concern is how cheap it is and how unsafe it is. So this piece of really crap metal here, I mean, it weighs next to nothing. All right, and they put a rubber hose, airline hose on the end of it, and it's not even cut straight. It looks like it was just snipped and slid on there. And then you got this dollar store brush, which I'm using one hand here, you can see slides right out. I paid $8 plus shipping for this brush. $8. This is a dollar store brush. Look how thin it is. This will get one backlap done, if that, and this will all be destroyed. And not only that, it's not even going to hold any compound. There's nothing there. $8 for that. This stupid rubber hose on here. And the metal here, there's still chips of metal from when this was cut, which could very well cut your fingers. This thing was made on the fly. It's just crap. And the biggest concern with it is, if I were to stick this, you see everything slides right off real easy. And slides back in. I'm doing this all with one hand. Okay? As soon as I stick this in a reel, it's going to suck all of that right off into my reel, and then I'm going to have a damaged reel. Then I'll be paying $300 for a new reel. So, needless to say, I'm just really pissed off at that brush, at R&R. I give them a lot of business, and I'm certainly not going to be using that piece of crap. So I could definitely make something better than that. But yeah, R&R, if you're watching this, you really got to get something safer for the turf mechanics in that area of your stuff anyways, because that's just really pointless and very, very poorly made. Alright guys, please hit subscribe below, give me a like, I do videos daily, and I'll see you next time. Do not buy this backlapping brush from R&R.